and in front of me is Nokia X20, and let me show you how to set a date and time on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select system and click on date and time. And here you can smoothly switch off automatic date and time. So just use the switcher, and now you can select date and time manually by yourself. So as you can see, from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also manage the time zone, so smoothly switch off network provided time zone and select the particular one. And that's it. So this is how you can manage date and time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.